The sad truth is that for many people, post-COVID, even though they want to work remotely, they find it almost impossible to succeed on online freelancing platforms like, for instance, Upwork and others, because they became so popular and so many people are trying. Reality is you can still succeed, but the strategies that worked prior to COVID don't work anymore. It used to be like you're a big fish in a small pond, so with fairly little effort you can succeed significantly. Now you're a small fish in a big pond, and the strategies to succeed are fundamentally different. So you can no longer listen to the advice of people who built their success starting prior to COVID. You need new strategies, and that is what we can help you with. It is very possible to succeed significantly on these online platforms and build a significant online remoting future with very satisfying benefits linked to that. But you need to use the strategies that work post-COVID. If you are interested in finding out more, we post videos regularly on this channel, so subscribe to this channel if that is what you want to do, so you are informed whenever we post. Right now, you can also click and watch the next video that will give you more information. But if you really want to have everything unpacked for you, attend our free webinar. You will find the link in the description and also on the screen right now to click through, find out more, and attend our online webinar.